Cynthia Cooper-Dyke is an American basketball coach and former player who has won championships in college, in the Olympics, and in the Women's National Basketball Association (WNBA). She is considered to be one of the greatest female basketball players ever. One upon the WNBA's formation, she played for the Houston Comets from 1997 to 2000, being named the most valuable player of the WNBA Finals in 4 straight seasons. Cooper served as the coach of the Phoenix Mercury in the WNBA from 2001 to 2002. In the NCAA, she was college coach for UNC Wilmington, Prairie View A&M, Texas Southern, and USC between 2005 and 2022. Cooper-Dyke was inducted into the Women's Basketball Hall of Fame in 2009 and the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame in 2010. She has been member of every WNBA anniversary team since their creation. In 2011, Cooper was voted by fans as one of the top 15 players in WNBA history. Although born in Chicago, Illinois, Cooper-Dyke grew up in South Central Los Angeles, California. Cooper-Dyke is the daughter of Mary and Kenny Cooper. Her father left the family when she was only 6 years old, leaving her mother to raise 8 children. Cooper-Dyke attended the University of Southern California and played on their women's basketball team for 4 years, winning NCAA championship in 1983 and 1984 with the star teammate Cheryl Miller, but left in 1986 before earning a degree. Cooper was inducted into the Women's Basketball Hall of Fame in 2009. She was also announced as a member of the 2010 induction class of the Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame and was formally inducted on August 13 of that year. In April 2019, she returned to coach at Texas Southern. Texas Southern had a 20-10 record in her first season back but had 2 straight losing seasons afterwards at 5-10 and 11-15. On April 10, 2012, Cooper resigned from UNCW and became the head coach at Texas Southern. The 2012-13 Texas Southern team went 20-12 and appeared in the 2013 Women's National Invitation Tournament. Cooper-Dyke retired on March 17, 2022. She concluded her 4th season in 2 stints with a cumulative 56-47 record. On April 11, 2013, Cooper returned to USC as head coach. In her first season, Cooper-Dyke led USC to a 22-13 season with an appearance in the 2014 NCAA Division I Women's Basketball Tournament. On March 3, 2017, Cooper-Dyke resigned as head coach